So come get my hair done with moi, because we are going to Jamaica. Okay, please? Yeah, we are. So I'm going to the hair salon now. Fingers crossed I'll be done early, because I'm going there for 5:30, so in the evening. So it might take a long time, but let's see. But yeah, come with more, guys. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. Tell me what you think. It's my first time doing this style and I really like it. Like she's so neat. Like it's so neat, and the color, like I've been liking this type of color. It suits my complexion. But yeah, guys, she took around 3 hours thereabout, which is not bad. And yeah, it went by so quick. I was shocked. But yeah, this is the final look, and I'll see you in Jamaica. Bye.